my camera's dying. What the heck?
Not near one dumpling is torn. This is like a blessing from God. Like, these are by far the best dumplings I've made in my life.
My name is QueenZiare Hadley, currently in the 12th grade, and I'm running to be ASB representative. I didn't know if I told y'all, but I'm running for my school's 12th grade ASB representative. So I made a little promotional poster for 12th grade ASB representative. Vote me. People especially like this one, and that one, and that one. I knew people would like that, so that's why I put it on there. I'm gonna make another one. Maybe not identical, but a similar one, so that I can have multiple posters around the school. Spread some propaganda for myself. So yeah. Good morning, y'all. Today is Sunday, August 27th, 10:36 a.m. Can you focus? So, y'all, I just made some bokchoy and dumplings, right? This has to be by far the best dumplings I've ever made in my life. Not one is worn or torn or ripped or anything. Like, they're all solid. They're crispy and fried, but soft and juicy at the same time. Like, these are by far the best dumplings I've made in my life. Like, can y'all see this? Can y'all comprehend? Like, not near one dumpling is torn. This is like a blessing from God. Like, y'all, it's perfect. Like, these are my ideal dumplings. And then I made some bokchoy. I had to make it a little differently because the pan I was using was only this big, and before these were cooked, they were like giant leaves. So I had to chop the stems off from the leaf part. But y'all, it tastes so good. Like, oh my gosh. I watched the Asian lady cook it on YouTube because I wanted to know how I should actually make it. She tossed these straight into the skillet, no oil, no nothing. Let it cook down a little bit, like cook the water out. And then she added in the oil and the garlic and the ginger. That's where she stopped, okay? She also added oyster sauce. What I did was I also added some tomato bouillon with chicken flavor. That's like my favorite taste. It don't even taste like tomato. It's just, I don't know, it's just my favorite, okay? So I added that to that, so that's why it's red. And then I also added some let me see this, I also added some black pepper. And y'all, these things were so good. Like, I had to stop and taste it and do a little dance because, like, it's good, y'all. I even let my brother taste it and he was like, it's good. Like, y'all, this is my first time making bokchoy too, because like growing up I've always eaten bokchoy and dumplings a lot. Like, my dad would always cook it, especially since like I have part of my family is like Asian, so it's like we grew up eating some of the cultural foods. So, and y'all, when I go to my grandma's house and be eating, when she be cooking foods like this, oh my gosh, y'all, I be in heaven. Like, y'all have no idea. I be so stuffed all the time. Like, there's not a moment where I'm at her house where I'm not hungry. I mean, where I'm not full. Like, it's so good, y'all. This my school lunch, y'all. I ain't even eat breakfast yet, so about to pack it up and demolish this at school. Like, this is like the best lunch I've ever made for myself. And I'm surprised I took the energy and effort to chop up garlic and ginger to put in the food. Like, what's the point of like procrastinating? Like, just do it. Like, it's gonna make your food taste better. And I'm surprised I put ginger in my food too, because y'all, I have like I wouldn't even say a love-hate relationship with garlic. Like, I just don't like it. Like, it's too strong, it's overpowering. I know it has health benefits, but it's just like, you know? But you know, I chopped up a little, added it in there because it's like I want to follow the lady and what she was doing. So you don't barely even taste it when it's like actually in there, so it's like it's not that big of a deal. But putting ginger in there, I think I only have that love-hate relationship, love-hate, because when my dad uses garlic, he does not chop it up finely enough. So it's like, who wants to be eating food and start eating like pieces and chunks of ginger? Like, that's like not pleasing at all. So yeah, but I did it this time, so it's fine. Like, it's all all chopped up and stuff. Y'all, this kind of look like kimchi. When I was cooking that and looking at it, really looked like kimchi. But yeah, that's my lunch. Hey y'all, it's a couple hours later, but my mom, she just made our mashed potatoes and some steak and some, I want to say this is zucchini, no, this is squash, and some squash. Y'all, I'm about to tear this up. I haven't had mashed potatoes in so long. Y'all, got school tomorrow. It's gonna be so busy. I already got like 2 group projects so far. Well, 1 group project is due tomorrow. It's not that big of a deal, but none of my other teammates have responded and have did any work, so hopefully they're, you know, because sometimes it's those types of people that stay up till like 1 in the morning or do their work the day of. So I'm just hoping that they do that, because I've known these people for a while now, so I know they're good people, but I've never worked on an assignment with them. So, you know, hopefully they, you know, but let's hope that they're the type of people that's like, that are up at like 12 or 3 in the morning. Hopefully that's the case. But I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, so it's 7:05 p.m. on Monday, August 28th. Today I had school. It was cool, you know. We had our little rally in the church. They passed out honor roll awards and stuff and told us about like important future dates. Y'all, I was struggling today. Not only did I just get over my throat being super sore, only to come back to school with a cold. Not only did I have a cold, I'm on my period, I'm in pain, my stomach's hurting, my nose is hurting, my throat is hurting again, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. It was just, and I've been doing this all day. I've been through it, okay? I've been through it today. My vitamins, I've been on top of excuse me. I've been on top of my DayQuil and NyQuil. I've been taking my garlic. I've been taking my vitamin C. I've been taking all my 17 million different vitamins and herbs. I've been drinking my tea. The thing is, y'all, it's so hot. I need the fan on. Like, it's too hot to have the fan off. Like, I just took a shower. I didn't even want to take a bath because of how hot the bathroom was. Like, let me turn this back on low. Despite all these troubles I'm facing right now, before me and Chris, because Chris picked me up from school, I stopped at Dollar Tree and I bought stuff to make some little goodie bags because I'm running for 12th grade ASB representative. I already put my posters up. I showed y'all those, right? Yeah, my posters is up. People seeing them. People been like, I'm a vote. People walking by me talking about something. I'm a vote for you, queen. I got you. I was like, thank you. I already did that. I'm trying to get some more smaller ones printed out to put up in the classroom. I'm planning on making goodie bags tonight and then passing them out tomorrow. You know, going up to some of my classmates, going up to random people I've never spoke to before. Like, I mean, that's what you gotta do when you want something done and you want to get your stuff done. You gotta network. You gotta be uncomfortable, and you gotta talk to people you don't know. You have to do all types of stuff like that. That's not a problem for me. Like, sometimes it is, because sometimes I be like, I just don't be wanting to talk. Like, sometimes I just want to be alone, you know. But I want my votes, okay? And I want us to enjoy our years, because I know if I'm in a position involving seeing over the activities that are being planned and stuff and having a say over that and representing my grade, I know that I can be sure it's actually going to be enjoyable for us. Because you know, if I'm in the grade and I'm not feeling the vibe of whatever's being planned and other people my age and my grade feel similar to me, then I can address that issue as a person in ASB. So, oh my gosh, y'all, I really just want to lay down. I'm tired. I have to make these bags because, like, the votes start Friday. Voting starts Friday and it's Monday. So the clock is ticking. Time is ticking. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. First of all, I wanted 60, but they only had, because I got these like clear little goodie bags. It's 20 per bag, so I got 40 of those. I bought these little things. I got these two, and I couldn't find another one that like matched these exactly, so I just got a red one. I plan on cutting these up and putting them in the bags with the candy as little decor, or I can tie it around the opening. Yeah, I got some of these. Then I got the 40 clear bags. Oh my gosh, y'all. 4 bags of Reese's peanut butter cups. 4 bags of Reese's peanut butter cups. 4 bags of fruit chews. 3 bags of these little not me forgetting the names of these Tootsie Pops. Yeah, got some little lollipops, 2 packs of these Sour Punches strips. Y'all know, y'all seen these before. 4 packs of these little I thought this was interesting. They're like little caramel apple stick things, but they're just in like a straight tube, and they're individually wrapped. If y'all can see those little tubes in there. I think I have a W candy selection. Got some little caramel apple stuff. Who don't like little caramel apple stuff? These are for the people that like, you know, that sour stuff. You gotta throw a lollipop in there because there's always a lollipop in the goodie bag. These buzz, I don't care what nobody say. Unless you're allergic to like peanut butter or something, I don't see why you wouldn't want Reese's. I would have got Skittles. They was trying to steal my money, y'all. Like 6 little tiny square Skittle packs. 6 of those little packs came in one thing. So I would have had, for 40 bags, imagine how many packs I would have had to buy. Let me do the math. So I would have had to buy 7 packs of 6-pack Skittles. What do I look like? I'm sorry, you just not getting those Skittles. It's not good for you anyways. Like my mom told me, my granny said it's poison in the Skittles. I don't know. So nobody needs them anyways, but I'm trying to steal my money, y'all. I already spent like all this together, cost about $30. And then earlier today I bought some of my school's merch because they were selling like hoodies and stuff, so that was $35. So I spent about like $65 today. If I don't get this vote if I don't get this vote, I'm gonna be upset because I put in a lot of work. Okay, you know, I'm still gonna be a good what's it called, to have good team membership? I forgot what it's called. Being a good sport, like GG to whoever who gets in a position, but you know, side eye. So yeah, I'm about to start working on these bags, y'all. I need to get my index cards out because I'm actually gonna write like the message "vote for me" and a little message on the back too, like oh my god. Okay, let me do this. Oh, my camera's dying. What the heck? My name is QueenZiare Hadley, currently in the 12th grade, and I'm running to be ASB representative. My vision for being in that position would be to honestly help us make this the best year he has ever had so far. Especially since I'm a senior, I'm trying to make sure we actually enjoy this year and have fun. So not only would I be making sure me and my peers are having the best year possible, that would also mean for all the other grades, this would be an amazing year for them too. So it's like a 2-for-1 deal. I'm helping my grade level peers out. Meanwhile, everybody else is benefiting. Being in this position would give me the opportunity to make that possible. That is why you should vote for me to be 12th grade ASB representative.
Ladies, on an escalator, going upstairs, so see you later. Bye-bye.